There is nothing more important than the well-being of our children and families, particularly those that have experienced the most harm. And what a blessing to be in a position where you can get people together around a common purpose and thread to do something truly remarkable in the interests of the human condition. We're talking about being in the business of people for people.
If I could give a winning lottery ticket to every family that I served, to every child that I've served, I'd be very happy. But because I cannot do that, the next best thing that I really feel that I have always felt that I could give to my families and my children, my students, is a good education.